and you're watching Tonight Chantel TV. Alright, y'all, so on today's video, this is a vlog. We are vlogging Tracy. She's over here. Tracy! Okay. No, okay. We're vlogging her birthday. And yeah, stay tuned. Come birthday girl, get in our vlog. Hey! Everybody say happy birthday, Tracy.
I'm the crazy cousin.
So yeah, guys, oh, we're twinning. Yeah, purposely had our moms do our hair, so yeah. Y'all, look at Tatiana. She had one shot. I'm not gonna say what it was, but she had one shot. She had one shot of juice, guys. One shot of juice. And she's already feeling like that. Crazy. You feel great. Lie to the camera. What were you just saying? I feel sick. That's what she said. This. So we're debating whether we should go in this water or not. The sand is literally right there, but we can't swim. So, and everybody else on this boat's not paying attention. So, go ahead, Tatiana. Like, I think we'll just do the toes.
At the same time, okay?
What?
Let's do it at the same time.
I can't hold this phone and do it. Hold on, hold on! I just don't know.
All right, Kayla.
That looks next.
Anyway, let's get in, please.
My body. Yes! Yes! Please don't call my phone.
I'm not.
Oh.
Eventually.
She's in!
Ow, my arm.
And she dropped her glasses, but we found it. We found it. All right, I'm going next.
Come. Go, go.
Oh!
Somebody. Oh.
He needs some milk.
Oh, I got water in my eye. I got water on my nose. Living life. Living our best life, to be exact. Oh, it's just a little too rocky for my liking. So everybody who did not know, Kayla has motion sickness. She is going through it right now. She is going through it. But it's okay. It's gonna get better. Stay tuned.
It's gonna be a little tighter, but.
It is literally like 3 hours later.
7:09.
And oop, not focusing. Oop,
Gotta be.
awkward. Oh, there it goes. No, all right. We left the boat probably like 5 o'clock, 4:30, 4 o'clock.
No, we left before that.
It was like 4 o'clock.
It was like 3. The
Okay.
boat ended at 2. So.
Well, now we're back. Well, I'm home. She's going home. And yeah, we're tired. Sun is very draining. Salt water is very draining. Yeah, we both have headaches. I got so sick on the boat. I didn't actually like vomit, but I dang near felt like I needed to because it was just moving too much. But yeah, I was pretty much sleeping the whole time on the ship. The ship. Not the
Wish we
ship.
were on a ship.
Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to
Like,
comment,
and subscribe for more.
Road to 2K.
Bye guys.